How to use Bumble Premium subscription. Want to unlock all the cool feature on Bumble? Let's explore Bumble Premium. Open Bumble app and tap profile icon at bottom left corner. Tap Premium. Choose your plan: weekly, monthly, 3 month, and for lifetime. And complete the payment through your App Store or Google Play Store. Once subscribed, you will get access to the features like see who liked you, advanced filters, incognito mode, travel mode, one spot a week, and more. To use any features, just tap the relevant icon or option in the app like travel mode in settings. That's it. You are ready to enjoy all the pics of Bumble Premium and maximize your chance of matches. Thanks for watching. If the guide helped, hit like and if subscribe for more quick tutorials. Catch you in the next one.